Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily mark a read message as unread in WhatsApp. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write your comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. And to begin with, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, you will need to go to the chat section. After that, select correspondence. And let's say if you accidentally clicked on a message that you didn't want to read at the moment. Or you just want to leave that message as unread. This, by the way, is a good option so that you don't forget to reply to the person later. So, in order to make a message unread, you just need to swipe from the left side to the right side and then mark it as unread. And as you can see now, I have it showing that there is an unread message. This is the very simple way, friends, you can mark a read message in WhatsApp as unread. I hope this video was helpful for you. Put your likes please, also write comments and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.